Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the TV or Chromecast is powered and connected to an HDMI port. Plug in USB power and switch the TV to that HDMI input. Once done, put your phone on the same Wi-Fi network and open the Google Home app. You will tap the plus icon, choose Setup Device, then New Device so the app can scan for the TV. This initial pairing step is critical because the app needs to detect the hardware to move forward. You now select the TV listed in the app, assign it to a home and a room, and give it a useful name so voice commands are predictable. Make sure you follow the prompts to send your Wi-Fi credentials to the Chromecast or use the TV's built-in network setup. This step connects the device to your network. You should also sign into your Google account when asked and allow any firmware or system updates, because updates fix bugs and improve casting stability. You finish by testing casting from a supported app like YouTube or Netflix. Tap Cast, select your TV, and confirm audio and video play. Once confirmed, enable Google Assistant control and set the TV's routines or default device for voice commands so casting is seamless hands-free. If something goes wrong, first reboot the TV, router, and phone. Make sure they are on the same Wi-Fi band. If problems persist, factory reset the Chromecast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.